Welcome to Landmark Home Decoration section in TRINOMA, Quezon City. Diverse range includes meticulously crafted handicrafts and captivating decor to transform your vision into reality. Whether you're designing a cozy retreat or a sophisticated outdoor space, the focus is on innovation and excellence, ensuring that each product reflects a perfect blend of beauty and functionality. Let's elevate every space with touch that delivers a unique luxury experience. Dedications that provides decor solutions, embodies sophistication and comfort, catering to a wide range of design styles from modern minimalism to timeless classics. They value customer service, prioritize personalized service, ensuring clients receive expert guidance and support throughout their design journey. Provides unique luxury experience by offering exclusive, high-quality pieces that bring a touch of luxury to every space. Provides innovation by embracing creativity, constantly pushing the boundaries of design to offer cutting-edge decor solutions. Provides excellence by upholding the highest standards in everything, especially in their craftsmanship and services. Provides sustainability and responsibility by committing to responsibly sourcing materials and incorporating sustainable practices, ensuring designs reflect care for clients and the environment. For more informative short videos, please do watch our other 3-minute travel guide series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the exciting world of 1000 vlogs.